Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself and look at me, look at me. You made it.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today, as of right now, this is about to be your boy's first time in the gym, probably in like 2 months. Y'all motherfuckers on here, y'all are pretty harsh, man. You know, I've been in here locked up and stuff, and y'all was like, that nigga Mike over there eating good. He got the baller belly. Like, I couldn't go to the gym. I bought home workout stuff, but I hate sitting here doing cardio. I hate lifting little ass weights. So your boy ain't been able to get to the gym, man. And you feel me? It's definitely showing with that baller lobster belly. But yeah, man, right now I'm about to hit the gym for the first time in probably like 2 months. So probably gonna feel weak, probably gonna be hella sore after, but about to get back on track, about to start getting the gains back, full effect, hitting this shit extremely hard, especially because this year, or the remainder of this year and next year, I plan on doing some traveling, man, getting out the country for the first time in my life and just exploring and seeing what's all out there. But today we're gonna be taking the C-Fizzle out. About to be taking this thing. I'm also gonna be going to D's Garage after the gym. You guys know I need to get this wing panel bond. I've been saying this probably for like the last 6, 7, 8, 37 videos that my little double side tape ain't really double siding. So I need to get this thing panel bond, that way I don't freaking lose my wing. But other than that, man, we chilling. I ain't seen D in a cool little minute, so I'm gonna go over there, mingle. As far as car updates, you guys seen that I tried to go do this nighttime video with the C6, and it didn't go as planned. I need to mess with the camera settings. I'm probably gonna order a specific camera that has super good low light capabilities that's still an action camera. That way I can start going out at night and getting run footage in for y'all, because that's kind of like where I'm leaning towards. I want to start just increasing the quality a bit more. This camera that we shoot on is dope as hell. It has great low light, but I can't hold this shit and drive at the same time. It just won't happen. So I need a small action cam. I think I found something, but I'm gonna still be playing around with it. So hopefully y'all go, you know, rock with your boy as we try to figure out how to increase the quality at night. But yeah, one thing I learned is when I was trying the videos, I had the stabilization on, which made the video even more shaky, because since it's low light, the GoPros that I had on there, they utilize lighting to stabilize the footage. So it made it super like jumpy and all that. So I got another camera I want to try. I'm gonna be redoing it, so you guys might see a couple different night videos of me taking the car out. I think next time I'm gonna take the 350Z out with different settings on the cameras and see adjusting shutter speeds and stuff like that, if that's gonna help or work. But yeah, definitely want to increase the quality, so I got a few things I want to try. And then you guys seen these in the last video, but we do have a partnership with VT Forge. So, you know, these are going to be the new wheels that are going to be going on the C6. These are the Big Johns. These are some 19 by 12 and a halves. So I'm downsizing from the 20s. I'll probably do a 355 Kumo, the race tire. So hopefully that should give us some better grip than what the 20s do. 20s right now, honestly, hook super good with this combo, especially since we lost a little bit of power. It doesn't blow a second off, but once we get that power back, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be at the limit on what these tires can do. But honestly, I'm super impressed, because for this to be a cheap tire on a 20 by 12, this car works relatively well. You guys have seen this car in action plenty of times, and I must say, for a street tire, no R compound, nothing special, like an all seasons regular S tire, this car works extremely good. Probably also the help of the centrifugal, you know, not putting down a lot of low end power, and the power being more linear, so I'm pretty sure that aids in it. But yeah, man, with that being said, let's get ready to get into the day. I'm not trying to be late to the gym, you feel me? Because y'all ain't gonna be talking about me too much longer, bro. I'm about to be outside like this all summer. So I got 3 months before I plan on going to Europe. So I definitely want to make sure, you know what I'm saying, we at least back down to the 230 range. So right now your boy almost 270. Jesus Christ. Well, I'm over here getting ready to open the garage door, but it's already open. So yeah, let me grab my pre-workout, or let me grab my branch chain aminos and get my ass to the gym. I'll be back with y'all in a little bit.
All right, see you later.
All right, man, workout complete, all done. All right, bro.
All right, bro.
Wednesday, we on?
Yeah, we go.
All right.
Oh, wait.
Up, here we go.
I don't know. It's Wednesday, remember?
Man, nah, don't be trying not to come on Wednesdays now. Yeah, workout done. This motherfucker ain't been here in like 2 months. This ain't like, let's do lunges. Let's do lunges. Like, look, check that out. Look at that C fizzle. I love the way C5s look. I just love it. Just look how aggressive and wide and simple. No sharp lines. Just, I'm a huge fan of C5s, man. Huge, 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 huge. Some people may say I'm crazy, but honestly, I think I like the C5 body styling over the C6. C6 definitely looks more aggressive and stylish and modern, Batmobile-ish. Like it's a sexy car, but simple, clean, old school nostalgia pop-ups. Like, can't beat a C5, man. I really love C5s. Just need to get some. I was driving and a stupid ass plastic bag went under the car. If you know C5s, you know they are bottom feeders, and running over a damn bag will cause your stuff to overheat. This sexy thing right here. One day I'm gonna have me a sexy old school. What's up, bro? I'm here, man. Get to work. Let's go. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, 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 chop.
You got Mondays off too? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
What's up, man?
That shit's carbureted, just so
20,
you know.
27, man.
Carbureted.
27 firm.
27.5. Down payment, that'd be all right.
I'm gonna just wait till that divorce get ready to happen. You start selling everything quick.
15,000. That ain't happening, bro.
I got 7 for you. Nah. What's up with you, bro? How you doing?
Donnie.
Mike.
Nice with you, man.
This yours?
Yeah.
Man. Really? This yours, bro?
Yeah.
Okay. It's good to see another brother with some clean shit around here. You know what I'm saying? Another brother. This thing's wet. He told me you was thinking about selling it at one point.
I was.
Was? Or are you still interested?
The number right.
What you looking to get in for this?
I'm gonna need enough to go get that one over there. I'm gonna need to get that. I'm gonna need to be able to get that drop if I sell that. Yeah, drop. Yeah, just pull it right back into you.
So what's the number?
150.
Man, 150, I'd be over here like, D, bro, we about to build one from scratch, nigga. Roaster, shop frame, all that. We already know the recipe.
If you want it right away, that's where it comes in at.
Oh, nah, I'll be here taking up shop time. You know?
What happened with bro? I thought he was trying to get one.
He's still looking.
Is he?
Yeah, he's still looking. This needs to be in the garage next to a Viper, man. After my 6'4" build, I'm gonna definitely build me another old school. It's just super. Woo! Bro, he almost ran me over. Almost got me, man. All right, we got my guy Darted over here, working on my brush Sideshow Tones car. I think D just did a fresh motor in this thing. So I think before he had a iron block LT9, I think he went over to a LS3 now. But Dart's over here making something. I have no clue what Dart's making, but Dart's always making something.
Yeah, the radiator mount.
Darting it up, dart it. That shit retarded. Alright, we're gonna go out here. My guy Miggs already done got this panel bond on this wing. Looking like it's gonna be good to go. Ooh. Flush. Oh, flush.
It's gonna fall off when you do 80.
Soon as I do 80, it's over. Fly off, I'm gonna send you a link to a new wing. See, I seen Papa with the drop. He done turned into a G35 lover. It's probably not even his car. He probably stole it. It's gonna be at the sideshow later tonight.
It's a striker. Catch me outside.
Crashing into other car. Bro, you copy my gas can too?
Oh, no, man. You know you gotta support the breast cancer awareness.
Man, I got my pink ones because I had a daughter.
Oh, no.
He copying me, bro.
That had the...
You ever hooking up Slap? He really about to be at the sideshow.
Whatever janky shit they had up in here. I'm gonna put this shit right back.
About to wrap this or what?
Yep. Once I find the door panel and the seats, and then yeah, bro, you gonna fucking have that on this thing.
How much you get it for?
I paid $4 for it. Yeah, guys, fucking angle cam and a whole bunch of other shit too. Hold on.
Drift ready. All right, what up, folks? As y'all can see, your boy back home. Doesn't look like the wing flew off on the freeway, so I guess we could say it's good. I was thinking about going to wash this thing, but since we just panel bonded this thing on, figured I'd wait probably another 24 hours or something. But yeah, it's on there finally. No more looking goofy and dumb. And I'm not sure if I've shown y'all this, but just picked this thing up. When was it? Sunday? Saturday or Sunday. One picked this up, man. This is something that I've been needing extremely bad. Y'all probably think it's another car or something, but nah, it's not. Bam, 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 baby! Official. We officially got a trailer. We officially got a trailer. No longer, well, I kind of still need to borrow Rick's, but once I get my truck and everything back, yeah, we gonna be able to tow, baby. We gonna be able to tow. I told y'all we're gonna be doing more driving this year. Now y'all can see I'm actually serious. I finally went and bought a freaking trailer. This thing's all aluminum, so the Turbo Rado shouldn't have any issue with towing this thing at all. I think this trailer is probably like 700-800 pounds or something like that, something stupid light. So with the car on there, maybe still under 4 grand. So I shouldn't have an issue with towing. People are telling me that I'm gonna probably need a tow map. I guess that's a big thing. So yeah, I gotta figure that out. Or I might possibly buy another truck, a diesel or something, F-150, I don't know. But definitely want to get something that's I wanted to tow the race cars around with the race truck, but you know, if it's gonna be an issue, then I need to look at another tow rig. But yeah, man, we got the aluminum trailer. Finally. You know what I'm saying? Look, bro, I could like by myself, bro. You know what I'm saying? Stupid light with the left hand. So yeah, more driving videos coming, more track days, just exploring, getting around, man, going to different cities, doing different events. No longer local, just trying to get out there, mingle and drive, man. Drive. That is the focus for this year. But yeah, I'm gonna be wrapping this up. I'm gonna go in here. I'm fasting, I'm hungry. I haven't ate nothing since I worked out. Kind of getting hangry. So we're gonna wrap it up, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Till next time, we out.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady.